Welcome to the Ports and Shipping News from Visakhapatnam. Paradeep Port Trust created history by achieving the highest volume of monthly traffic, that is 11.17 million metric tons of cargo throughput in January 2021, surpassing 10.55 million metric tons clocked by Paradeep Port Trust in March 2019. Shri Vinod Kumar, Chairman, Paradeep Port Trust, has congratulated all dedicated and concerned officers, employees and their family members, port users and other stakeholders for their stupendous performance and expressed gratitude for continued guidance. First ever 50,000 metric tons fertilizers urea from Oman bound for Nepal is being handled at SMP Anchorage from the bulk carrier MV Millard. This is the largest parcel load of fertilizers to handle at Kolkata dock system. In order to drive asset monetization, SM Port Kolkata receives first ever domestic auto rack from Track 1 Logistics as GCD yard sliding. This will yield additional returns to the port from underutilized rail slidings and provide a reliable terminal facilities to auto rack operators. Shipping Corporation of India, we salute the domitable spirit of Indian Coast Guard for their ever vigilant and valorous service to the nation in securing India's long coastline and safeguarding life at sea. New Mangalore Port Trust, under Ease of Doing Business initiatives, mobile container scanner trial run commenced at NMPT. Commissioner Customs senior officers from the Port Trust and Customs. The trial run will commence from 1st February to 2nd March 2021. SM Port Calcutta welcomes a subsidy scheme of rupees 1,624 crores over 5 years to support Indian shipping companies in global tenders and recycling of ships, which will enhance the global share of Indian companies as well as generate employment. Adani Port and SEZ Limited, Adani Ennore Terminal hosted the maiden call of MSC of South India feeder service on February 1st, 2021. During its maiden call, MV Spirit of Mumbai exchanged 3,625 TEUs at the terminal. Yes, to enable efficient trade that helps open new gateway of growth. Promoting safer navigation of vessels along inland waterways with next generation technology, RIS introduced an Haldia Varanasi stretch of NW1. Its advantages are reduced accidents on 1WT, improves communication among ships and vessels, boosts sea trade with foreign countries. Cochin Port Trust. Stellar performance by Cochin Port Trust in January 2021. Port registered the highest ever monthly throughput of 3.28 MMT. ICTT handled the highest ever monthly volume of 71,543 TUS, crossing the 70,000 TUS mark for the first time, embarking on an elevated growth. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.